Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Union Bay is a charming coastal community on the east coast of Vancouver Island, British Columbia. Located about 15 kilometers south of Courtenay and approximately 90 kilometers north of Nanaimo, this village offers picturesque views of the surrounding mountains and the nearby ocean. Established in the late 19th century, Union Bay served as a vital port for the coal industry, shipping coal to various destinations. Today, remnants of this history, such as old pilings and a raised rail bed, can still be seen, offering a glimpse into the village's industrious past. The local economy has transitioned from heavy industry to aquaculture, with oyster harvesting playing a significant role. The pristine waters of Bain Sound contribute to the production of high-quality oysters, making Union Bay a notable spot for seafood enthusiasts. Outdoor activities abound in and around Union Bay. The area is ideal for hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching, thanks to its natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. The nearby waters are perfect for boating and kayaking, allowing residents and visitors to immerse themselves in the coastal environment. Whether you're interested in history, outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying a tranquil seaside setting, Union Bay offers a delightful experience on Vancouver Island.
Thanks for watching!